Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood chair ideas design you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wood chair design ideas, a comprehensive guide. Wooden chairs have been a staple in furniture design for centuries, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The versatility of wood allows for a myriad of styles, from rustic to modern, each with its unique charm and character. In this guide, we will explore various wood chair design ideas, discussing materials, styles, and innovative concepts that can inspire your next project or purchase. Understanding wood types. Before diving into specific designs, it's essential to understand the different types of wood commonly used in chair construction. Each type has its characteristics, affecting durability, appearance, and comfort. Hardwoods, oak, maple, cherry, and walnut are popular choices for high-quality chairs. They are durable and can withstand wear and tear while offering beautiful grain patterns. Softwoods, pine and cedar are lighter and often more affordable. While they may not be as durable as hardwoods, they can still be used for casual or rustic designs. Engineered wood, plywood, and MDF, medium-density fiberboard, are used in modern designs. They offer stability and can be shaped into various forms, making them ideal for contemporary styles. Classic wooden chair designs. Classic wooden chairs have timeless appeal. Here are some traditional designs that continue to inspire modern iterations. Windsor chair. Characterized by its spindle-back design and curved seat, the Windsor chair is a classic choice for dining rooms. It combines elegance with comfort and can be finished in various stains to suit different decors. Adirondack chair. Ideal for outdoor spaces, the Adirondack chair features a wide seat and a slanted back for relaxation. It's often made from cedar or pine and can be painted in bright colors for a playful touch. Rocking chair. A staple in many homes, rocking chairs provide comfort and nostalgia. Modern versions may incorporate ergonomic designs while maintaining the classic rocking motion. Thonet chair. The Thonet No. 14 chair is an iconic bentwood design that exemplifies simplicity and elegance. Its lightweight structure and classic form make it suitable for both modern and traditional settings. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Modern wooden chair designs. Modern wooden chairs often blend simplicity with innovative features. Here are some ideas that reflect contemporary trends. Minimalist chairs. Clean lines and simple forms characterize minimalist wooden chairs. Often made from plywood or molded wood, these chairs focus on functionality without unnecessary embellishments. Scandinavian design. Known for its emphasis on natural materials and functionality, Scandinavian design often incorporates light woods like birch or ash. Chairs in this style typically have a simple silhouette with a focus on comfort. Mixed materials. Combining wood with metal or upholstery can create striking contrasts in modern chair designs. For instance, a wooden chair with metal legs can add an industrial feel to a space. Sculptural chairs. Designers are increasingly creating chairs that serve as art pieces. These sculptural designs often feature organic shapes and unusual forms that challenge traditional notions of seating. Sustainable wood chair designs. With growing awareness of environmental issues, sustainable design has become a priority for many consumers. Here are some ideas for eco-friendly wooden chairs. Reclaimed wood chairs. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also adds character to furniture. Each piece tells a story through its unique patina and imperfections. Bamboo chairs. Bamboo is a fast-growing renewable resource that can be used to create sturdy and stylish chairs. Its natural strength makes it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor furniture. Locally sourced wood. Supporting local artisans who use sustainably sourced wood can lead to beautifully crafted chairs that have a lower carbon footprint. Customizable wooden chairs. Customization allows individuals to express their style through furniture. Here are some ideas for customizable wooden chairs. Interchangeable parts. Some modern designs feature interchangeable components, allowing users to change colors or styles easily. This adaptability can keep furniture fresh without the need for replacement. Personalized engravings. Adding engravings or carvings to wooden chairs can give them a personal touch. Whether it's a family name or a meaningful quote, these details make the chair uniquely yours. Upholstered options. Custom upholstery allows you to choose fabrics that match your decor while providing comfort. Consider mixing wood with colorful or patterned fabrics to create a statement piece. Space-saving wooden chair designs. In smaller living spaces, functionality is key. Here are some space-saving wooden chair ideas. Stackable chairs. Stackable wooden chairs are perfect for multifunctional spaces. They can be easily stored away when not in use, making them ideal for dining rooms or small apartments. Foldable chairs. Foldable wooden chairs offer versatility without sacrificing style. They can be used for extra seating during gatherings and stored compactly afterward. Nesting chairs. Designed to fit within each other, nesting chairs save space while providing additional seating options when needed. Innovative wooden chair concepts. Innovation in chair design continues to evolve, leading to exciting new concepts. Ergonomic designs. As more people work from home, ergonomic wooden chairs are gaining popularity. These designs prioritize comfort and support, with adjustable features to promote healthy posture. Multifunctional chairs. Chairs that serve multiple purposes are becoming increasingly popular. For example, a wooden chair that doubles as a small side table can maximize space while providing functionality. Smart chairs. Integrating technology into wooden chairs is an emerging trend. Smart chairs may include built-in charging ports or sensors that monitor posture and comfort levels. DIY wooden chair projects. For those who enjoy woodworking, creating your own wooden chair can be a rewarding project. Here are some DIY ideas. Simple slatted chair. Using basic slats of wood, you can create a simple yet stylish chair perfect for outdoor use. This project requires minimal tools and materials. Pallet chair. Repurposing pallets into a chair is an eco-friendly option that requires creativity and basic carpentry skills. Sanding down the pallets and adding cushions can enhance comfort. Mid-century modern chair. Inspired by the mid-century modern aesthetic, this DIY project involves creating tapered legs and a curved backrest using plywood or solid wood. Choosing the right finish. The finish of a wooden chair significantly impacts its final appearance and durability. Here are some options to consider. Stains. Wood stains enhance the natural grain of the wood while adding color. Different shades can evoke various moods, from dark and moody to light and airy. Paints. Painting wooden chairs allows for bold color choices that can brighten up any space. Consider using chalk paint for a matte finish or spray paint for an even coat. Natural oils. Natural oils like tung oil or linseed oil can protect the wood while maintaining its natural look. These finishes penetrate the wood, enhancing its grain without altering its color significantly. Wooden chairs offer endless possibilities in design, from classic silhouettes to innovative concepts that blend form and function. Whether you're looking to purchase a new chair or embark on a DIY project, understanding the various styles, materials, and finishes available will help you make informed decisions that reflect your taste and lifestyle. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, consider opting for eco-friendly materials or supporting local artisans who prioritize responsible sourcing. Ultimately, the right wooden chair can enhance any space, providing comfort, style, and a touch of warmth that only natural materials can offer. By exploring these design ideas and concepts, you're well on your way to finding or creating the perfect wooden chair that meets your needs while adding beauty to your home or office environment. Happy designing! Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the